Welcome to Kanbanize. We're excited to have you on board and demonstrate how Kanbanize can help you optimize your workflows and deliver faster. Let's start with visualizing your workflow. Use the Cards workflow to visualize individual work items and track their progress through the delivery process, from requested to done. To plan bigger pieces of work, use either initiatives or timeline workflows. With our Kanban cards, you can visualize different work information. Inside a card, you can set a deadline for a work item, size it appropriately, select its priority, for example, critical, apply custom fields to display unique information, and many more. You can also create to-do lists for your work items and track work-related communication in the comments section. Once you are done, all information will be visualized on your card. On the Kanban board, you can also apply different tokens to your work items. Use blockers to visualize flow impediments. Make use of stickers to mark your work items with certain labels. Kanbanize allows you to edit your workflow the way it fits your needs. You can add as many columns and subcolumns as you wish and easily rearrange them. To separate different types of work, you can create horizontal lanes. You can also create multiple workflows with different structures. Choose Cards workflow to add another delivery workflow to your process. Go with the timeline workflow for project planning. In Kanbanize, you can create and visualize dependencies between work items. This happens through parent-child, relative, or successors-predecessors links. Using the parent-child links, you can connect a smaller work item to a project. To set up basic predecessor-successor dependency between two work items, hold the Control key, drag and drop the first one over the second one, and choose the type of dependency to create. Use the Related Boards feature on the sidebar to create cross-team dependencies. Choose which team boards to link to. Then simply drag and drop a work item from your team board to the other one and choose what type of dependency to create between both teams. Kanbanize makes it easy to track whether you meet service level expectations. You can set SLEs per column, subcolumn, lane, or cell, and they will be visualized by progress bars on the Kanban cards. Our system also allows you to set more than one SLEs on a single work item, which will be visualized by multiple progress bars. To automate your processes, we also provide you with a variety of business rules that you can use for numerous purposes. A simple example out of the many configurations is the predecessor card is updated rule, which allows you to automatically manage dependencies. For example, whenever the priority of a predecessor work item increases, you can automatically move its successor to an expedite area of the board and choose what details to be updated on the card. Moving forward, Kanbanize offers a variety of analytics to measure the performance of work processes. The cycle time scatter plot, for example, is a great way to visualize how long it takes to deliver work. You can also spot outliers in the process and use trend lines to track whether your cycle time is decreasing or increasing over time. Use the throughput run chart to analyze your delivery rate for a given period of time. See how often you are able to deliver work. Use average trend lines to understand whether your team is becoming more or less productive. Apart from those, Kanbanize offers many more analytics. Use our advanced Monte Carlo How Many simulations to run trials based on your historical throughput data and create a distribution. Make use of this information to plan the number of work items you can deliver in a specific time period. With the Monte Carlo When graph, on the other hand, the system allows you to do the same but forecast the possible duration of your project. Kanbanize also allows you to create multiple reporting dashboards with a set of customizable widgets. They can include timeline reports, aging work in progress charts, cumulative flow diagrams, boards flow metric graphs, flow efficiency stats, etc. You can add many more widgets and visualize different sets of data directly on your dashboards. Way to go! You've made your first steps into optimizing your delivery workflows with Kanbanize. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team or check out our extensive knowledge base. Try Kanbanize for free now.